Hi guys, I'm going to do another video on how to do systems of equations with substitution using Khan Academy. So this is going to be very similar to your Khan Academy assignment that is on your Google Classroom. So if you notice, this is mine. I'm going to hit let's go. Oops. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to capture it and I'm going to put it onto another place so I can have a little bit more to write with. Okay, so I'm going to put it over here. So substitution. So we're looking to see which one of these has a letter by itself. So x is by itself. So I'm going to circle y plus 6, and I'm going to put it in for x. So I'm going to go 13. Now instead of x, I'm going to put a y plus 6 minus the 6y equals 22. All right, now going to distribute. Okay, we're going to distribute. And, we're going to go ahead and do 13y plus 78 minus 6y equals 22. So you may want to use your calculator for doing some of the multiplication. Now we want to combine. We're going to go 13y minus 6y, okay? So 13y minus 6y is going to give me 7y plus 78 equals 22. And now we're at a two-step problem, so I'm going to minus the 78 equals negative 56. Divide. Y is going to be negative 8. So remember, we always want our x, comma, our y. So our y is negative 8. Now we plug this back into one of our equations, and I like the second equation. That is so much easier. Go for the easier ones, you guys. Instead of y, I'm going to put negative 8 in there. So x equals negative 8, because that's what y equals, plus 6. So x equals negative 2. So we go negative 2, negative 8. Put it in here. Negative 2, negative 8. Check it. We got it. Going on to the next question. So I'll copy it again. And we're going to go on to this. Let's go to a new page. Put it here. This time, the y is by itself. So we're going to circle what the y equals, and we're going to plug it into that y. So negative 4x plus 3, x minus 1 equals negative 2. We're going to distribute. And we want to combine the like terms that we can. So you see we have two x's on the same side. We're going to combine them. So negative 4x plus 3x is negative 1x minus 3 equals negative 2. Now we're down to a two-step. Add 3. Negative 1x equals 1. Divide by negative 1. So we get negative 1, and then we're going to get the other one. Again, second equation is much, much easier, so why not start with that one? Y equals our x, which is negative 1 minus 1, is negative 2. And then we go back, negative 1, negative 2, and we got it. Okay, next equation, same thing. Whoops, wrong one. Capture it. Get a new page. All right, our x is equal to 4y. Whoops, we're not putting it there because that's not x. Change it to a pen. So that 4y is going to go in for x because it equals x. So we're going to go negative I don't know why I put negative 2, but 2 times our negative 4y plus 7y equals 3. We're going to distribute. Equals 3. Combine like terms. Negative 8 plus 7. And then we divide. Y is negative 3. Okay, don't know why. Our y is negative 3. Now again, their second equation's easier. X is equal to negative 4 times our y. So x is equal to a positive 12. 12 negative 3. Put it in. Checks. We got it. One more and I get 100%. Now, if you just got 3 out of 4 right, that's good too. You need at least 75%. Last one on this. Go back. We'll add it to a new page. Okay. Look for the one that's by itself. It equals y, so plug it in for y. So it has a little bit bigger numbers, but don't be afraid of it. Because sometimes the bigger numbers actually become much smaller numbers when we get it done. Now be careful, this is a negative 9. Negative 9, you multiply to both of them. So 10x minus 9x plus 18 is 24. 10x minus 9x. Didn't I tell you the numbers were going to get a lot easier? 1x plus 18 equals 24 minus the 18. And then x, or 1x, is just equal to 6. So 6 comma something. Plug it in to the last equation. That one's much easier. Equals our x, which is 6, minus 2. So y is 4. So 6, 4. Plug it in. Check our work. And we're done. And that's how you get it. Next week, we're probably going to go over these again and do a little bit more of a lesson on these again. Okay, try it. Now you guys try it because a lot of you have not done this. Good luck.